Hello guys, and now we are going to talk about hedge. So if you want to make a hedge with a plant, so first you can change the material of the plant that you want to make a hedge for. As you see, here's some plants. So you may choose a hedge similar to the plant in the reality, but not the same of the name of the plant. So maybe we can choose this. So you can draw the hedge as you want. Note that the snap is on, as you see. So I will draw on the grid like this. So maybe we need this hedge, as you see. So let's move to the perspective mode to see the hedge. So we have a hedge now like this. So let's zoom to the hedge, as you see. So guys, this is for material of the hedge. You can change the size, the angle, the same options that we talked about before. And here for roundness, like this. And this is the weight, like this. This is the leaf density. Look, the density is changed, and this is the roundness. As I told you, you can increase the roundness or make it sharp like this. And this is about the height, and you can add the height manually from this box, or you can increase the height like this. And this is for edit point and adding shape to copy and say the shape also. So we have a hedge ready now. So now let's back to the plan mode and move to the accessory. Real-time landscape contain a lot of accessories, as you see. So this is the accessories. If you click on the material, you will find you can discover this accessories. It is a lot, and you can create a lot of design with this. And this is the constraint and entertainment things. This is the fencing also. You can see fireplace if you want to add a fireplace, furniture, golf equipment, and mailbox, other outdoor kitchen. As you see, rigs, playground. So this is a lot of material or a lot of models for accessories you can add. Also, there is an option to search about the accessory that you want. So maybe we can write here in this box share, for example. So here you will find a lot of shares. So let's select one of these shares to see what happened. We can place the share here. Go to perspective mode to see and zoom to this object. From this option you can change the model or edit this material of this accessory. So we have material 1 and material 2. You can change this material also as you want. This is a lot of material. You can also search for the material that you want. So maybe we can choose this black wood, for example. Select OK, and the share is changed. This is for change the weight, depth and height. let's take endo. If you remove the scale evenly from this, you can change the weight, the depth, look, and this is icon, you can change it together like this to make it smaller. The share is completely changed. This is for rotate from X, Y, Z. For it's good for another models, as you see. So let's check endo like this. So okay guys, this is for Align with terrain. We talked about this option before, and scale evenly. Guys, don't forget that you can ask me anything in the comment or a question that you need, and I will answer all of your questions. And if you are new in landscape design, you can check Principle of Landscape Design course and join it. So that was for accessories, so you can add a lot of accessory, as you see. Now let's move to the landscape light. It is close to the lights that we talk about in the home section, but this is for landscape. There is a lot of option for landscape, as you see. So this is others. If you want to add a fire to things like this, you can add this arrow and you can increase the size, edit the range. It is the same as a light or fire. Just click on walkthrough to see the effect of this light. As you see, it's just a fire. Let's check more. And here we can, this is a fire frame also, and this is a light source by line like this. For example, let's see to the walkthrough mode like this. Also, this is the light source. Let's see, it's already seen. You can see the light in a morning mode, so we can change the mode from time of the day, sorry, just make it night. So now you can see the light, but it's very little light. So I will delete this and this and this, and let's see the option of light. Let's choose this light for example and see the option that we have. This is for elevation, and before we can edit this material of the light, as I told you before, this is elevation, this is the range of the light, and this is the angle of beam. This is the color of light also, maybe if you want to add this color for example. And this is to show the area in the perspective mode. If you want, use the ray and shadow if you have something to you want to add a shadow for it. And this is about the weight and height and rotate, and I told you before, if you want to change it once, you can remove this scale evenly to change it, and also you can change it by this arrow. Just select to the green square and drag it like this. So that also was for lights. Now let's move to the rock. If you want to add lots of rock, you have to select rock again. But you can select rock and place control to add more rocks like this. So after that you can change this rock style like this. We have a lot of rocks style. As you see, this is for material. You can change the material of this rock, and here to edit the material size, angle. This is for weight and depth, as you see, and this is option we talked about it before. So I want to delete all of these things together without selection. You can press on one of these rocks and then press L and keyboard and you will select it all, then press delete. Nice. Now we have a rock border. Choose the material that you want for this rock and we can change it later. So now you will try the rock border that you want, and also you can choose from load shape. So let's select circle shape like this. So where is the circle? This is the circle that we create, and after that we can change the size like this if you want. This is for material, and go to perspective mode to see the rock border that we create like this. This is for change the material size, angle. As you see, this is the shinies of material, and this is the rock size. This is to make shape close or not to close. This is to smoother the rocks or not. We talked about the size before, and this is to edit the point, and you know this option, as you see. And if you select this, you can delete the point or round corner or bevel the corner. This is to make a curve type. It's for drawing. So that was for rock border. So guys, how they work in night mode, is it good? So let's delete this border. Now let's back to the plant, but I will see in the next video.